Hello everybody and welcome back to another My Porch Prints video. This is Kyra and I'm excited to announce the kickoff of our upcoming event, the Petals and Parchment Spring event. And if you're new to our channel, you may have not seen our past events before. Essentially, it's just a week where we give away freebies and have tutorials all week long. And there's also going to be daily deals in our shop on select items and kits, so you can keep coming back to our Etsy shop and find items that are on sale every single day. We're also going to be having a giveaway where every day we're going to choose one of the comments from the daily video to win a coupon. And then there will be a grand prize winner who wins a junk journal that I am going to be making for you guys this week. So starting off with tomorrow's video, this is not the actual kickoff of the event. I'm just going to be doing a quick flip through for you guys of the journal that I made so that you can get a closer look at it before we actually kick off into the event. But I'm going to show you how to make the base, the cover, the closure, add all the pages, all that good stuff. I won't be doing a full decorating tutorial because I didn't have time for that, but if you're interested, we have tons of decorating videos on our channel. It's pretty much all we do. So feel free to go check those videos out and get some inspiration for decorating your journal. Otherwise, after that flip through tomorrow, we will jump into the actual beginning of the event week, which is again Monday, March 16th, 2026. And that video will include the journal cover tutorial using the page topper. And then the rest of the week, we were going to be making the little waterfall flip, the mini book bookmarks, this 3D insert that has these cute little heart-shaped cards you can write notes on. We've got some faded photo frames we'll be making, and then also some fussy cuts that will turn into page toppers and a little page sort of 3D pop-up here. So lots of fun projects going on this week. But also don't worry if you missed one of our videos. The freebies will be in the description box and they'll stay there forever, so you will be able to get them even if you miss a video. However, the sales that are going on in our shop are for one day only, so make sure that you come to our shop every day so you don't miss out on those sales. And speaking of those sales, a portion of all of the proceeds from this week are going to go to God's Hands for Kids, a charity which helps foster kids and families in need by giving them supplies and clothing and things like that. So thank you to anyone who makes a purchase this week for helping us support this great cause. Otherwise, that is it for our announcement video of this event. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos, tutorials, and events, including the ones happening this week. And feel free to share this event with friends who might want to take part. We're excited to see everybody all week long and all of the projects that you make and all of your lovely comments. And hopefully at the end of the week, you'll all be excited to see who wins the grand prize. Otherwise, I guess I will see you in tomorrow's flip through video. Thanks so much. Bye.